Welcome to Spreadsheet 1, Topic 6.1.4, Create Headers and Footers. So unlike Google Docs, where you can add a custom header or footer to every page and see it displayed, the headers and footers for spreadsheets only appear when you're actually printing them, because that's when things get separated into pages. The spreadsheet itself doesn't really have a concept of pages. So in our print dialog, we can go to headers or footers. We have a series of predefined headers and footers, as well as the ability to edit custom fields. So we could add page numbers, which appear in the bottom right by default, title of the workbook in upper left, the sheet name in the upper right, the current date and or time in the bottom right hand corner. We can do those very common options with checkboxes. We can also edit custom fields. So we can click on one of these and enter in page numbers in different formats and a few other pre-selected options, or just type freeform, including headers and footers in the center of either the top or the bottom.